Discover the ultimate comfort and support with the best hiking boots, designed for all outdoor adventures. Engineered with durable, waterproof materials, they keep your feet dry in any weather. With advanced cushioning and superior traction, these boots ensure stability and reduce fatigue during long hikes. Whether tackling rugged terrains or smooth trails, they provide the perfect balance of performance and comfort. In this video, we recommend the 7 best hiking boots, based on quality, durability, price, and more. Check the description for purchase links to easily find the right choice for you. Number 7. Skechers Men's Relment-Pelmo Hiking Boot. The Skechers Men's Relment-Pelmo Hiking Boot offers outstanding comfort and durability for outdoor adventures. These boots are designed with a waterproof upper, ensuring your feet stay dry even in wet conditions. The memory foam insole provides exceptional cushioning, offering a comfortable fit for long hikes. With a relaxed fit, these boots accommodate a wider foot, providing additional comfort during extended wear. The durable construction ensures long-lasting performance, while the slip-resistant outsole offers excellent traction on various surfaces. Perfect for hiking, walking, and other outdoor activities, these boots combine practicality and comfort. Whether you're exploring rugged trails or strolling through scenic routes, the Skechers Men's Relment-Pelmo Hiking Boot is a reliable choice for all your outdoor needs. Number 6. NORTIV Men's Ankle-High Waterproof Hiking Boots. The NORTIV 8 Men's Ankle-High Waterproof Hiking Boots are designed for comfort and durability, making them ideal for outdoor adventures. The removable, shock-absorbent cushioned insoles offer excellent support, ensuring comfort during long hikes or treks. Lightweight EVA midsoles reduce foot fatigue, providing superior cushioning and high-energy return, making each step more efficient. Equipped with high-quality rubber soles, these boots provide exceptional traction, offering stability on wet, muddy, and rocky terrains. Perfect for hiking, hunting, camping, climbing, and other outdoor activities, these boots are versatile and reliable in various environments. Their durable construction is built to last, allowing you to confidently tackle mountain trails, rugged paths, or any outdoor challenge. Whether you're backpacking, cycling, or working outdoors, the NORTIV 8 boots ensure comfort, support, and protection. Number 5. Timberland Men's MT. Madsen Mid Waterproof Hiking Boot. The Timberland Men's MT. Madsen Mid Waterproof Hiking Boot offers a perfect combination of style, comfort, and durability. Made with waterproof premium Timberland leather, these boots keep your feet dry in wet conditions, ensuring a comfortable hike. The fully gusseted tongue adds extra protection against debris, keeping your feet safe and clean on the trail. The lace-up style provides a secure and adjustable fit, allowing you to customize comfort for your needs. The Rebiotiel fabric lining is made from recycled materials, offering eco-friendly benefits without sacrificing performance. With the anti-fatigue removable footbed, these boots deliver excellent cushioning and support, ensuring all-day comfort during extended wear. Whether you're trekking through challenging terrains or hiking in unpredictable weather, the Timberland MT. Madsen boots are built for durability and comfort. These boots provide the necessary support, protection, and sustainability needed for outdoor adventures. Number 4. Merrell Men's Moab 2 Mid Waterproof Hiking Boot. The Merrell Men's Moab 2 Mid Waterproof Hiking Boot is designed for exceptional comfort and durability. The performance suede leather and mesh upper offer both breathability and sturdiness, making it ideal for long hikes. The bellows, closed-cell foam tongue keeps moisture and debris out, ensuring dry and comfortable feet throughout your adventure. Merrell's air cushion in the heel absorbs shock and adds stability, providing a smooth and supportive ride on rough terrain. The protective rubber toe cap shields your feet from rocks and other obstacles, ensuring protection on every step. A breathable mesh lining promotes ventilation, keeping your feet cool and comfortable. The Vibram TC5 Plus sole with a 5mm lug depth provides excellent traction, ensuring a firm grip even on slippery surfaces. Whether you're hiking on challenging trails or through unpredictable weather, the Merrell Moab 2 Mid is built to perform and last. Number 3. Vostey Men's Hiking Boots. The Vostey Men's Hiking Boots offer a classic ankle winter boots design that remains timeless and stylish. The water-resistant upper effectively prevents water from seeping into the boots, keeping your feet dry during wet conditions. The comfortable and skin-friendly lining ensures an excellent fit, offering all-day comfort. The rubber outsole provides long-lasting support and superior traction, making it perfect for various outdoor activities. Ideal for hiking, mountaineering, camping, walking, or casual outings, these boots are versatile for multiple uses. They are also a great choice for work, business, driving, or vacation. Additionally, they make a thoughtful gift for any outdoor enthusiast. Number 2. Salomon Men's X Ultra Waterproof Hiking Boot. The Salomon Men's X Ultra Pioneer Mid-Climasalomon Waterproof Hiking Boot offers superior protection with its Climasalomon waterproof bootie. This flexible, lightweight design ensures your feet stay dry in all weather conditions. The advanced chassis, positioned between the outsole and midsole, optimizes motion control, energy management, and protection for a stable yet responsive experience. Foam cushioning surrounds the boot for added comfort, while the chassis stabilizes your heel for better support. The higher cut provides extra ankle protection, making this boot ideal for rugged terrains. With traditional laces and durable construction, it's perfect for all your outdoor adventures. Number 1. HUMTTO Men's Waterproof Hiking Boots. The HUMTTO Men's All-Terrain Waterproof Hiking Boots feature a HUMTTO TX advanced waterproof membrane, effectively blocking water from entering. The memory foam insole provides excellent arch support, while the MD lightweight midsole ensures lasting comfort, superior cushioning, and high energy return. With a non-slip rubber outsole, these boots offer great traction, ensuring stability and flexibility across various terrains. The reinforced rubber toe cap and heel protect against collisions, enhancing durability and ankle support for extended wear. Perfect for hiking, camping, climbing, and more. These boots are designed to handle all types of outdoor activities with ease. We can't mention the price because it is constantly changing. All these links are available in the description box. Don't forget to check the update price. We will be back with more videos soon.